Stop saying in Monday. Easy English fix. Hey everyone, Kevin here from Kevin's English Schools. Today we're fixing one very common mistake. In Monday. No, we don't say in Monday. By the end of this lesson, you'll never make this mistake again. Let's start simple. Listen and repeat. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Sunday. Good. Now listen. In Monday at Monday. These are wrong. The correct answer is on Monday. So what's the rule? Very simple. On days. Repeat. On Monday, on Tuesday, on my birthday, on the weekend. Now let's compare. We use specific times. Repeat. At 7 at night at noon, and in places or long time. Repeat. In Japan, in Osaka, in the morning, in 2026. Now let's practice. I say the word. You say the phrase. Ready? Monday, pause. On Monday night, pause. At night. Japan, pause. In Japan, good. Now full sentences. Repeat after me. I study English on Monday. I watch TV at night. I live in Japan. Now you answer. What do you do on Monday? Pause. What do you do at night? Pause. Do you like living in Japan? Pause. Quick tip. Don't think too much about rules. Just remember the chunks. On Monday at night in Japan, practice them again and again. Final check. Which is correct? In Monday, on Monday. Good. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next lesson.